Imagine this, an 11-inch 144Hz IPS display, the Snapdragon 870 processor with 8 GB of RAM, an 8,840 mAh battery with fast charging, and an all-metal build, all for under $350. The Xiaomi Pad 6 might sound too good to be true, but we're diving deep to uncover the real deal. So without further ado, let's get straight into the heart of this extraordinary tablet. Now, the unboxing experience. It's a straightforward package. Open the box to find the Xiaomi Pad 6 resting inside a protective sleeve. Below it, there are two small compartments. One contains the quick start guide, while the other holds the 33-watt fast charger and a USB Type-C to type a cable for charging and data syncing. A clean, no-nonsense unboxing experience. Moving on to design and build quality. The Xiaomi Pad 6 does bear a resemblance to the iPad, but it's a simple and elegant design that's easy to appreciate. The back features a camera module, borrowed from Xiaomi's flagship 13 Pro series, adding a touch of sophistication. The tablet is constructed entirely from high-quality aluminum, giving it a premium feel and a reassuringly sturdy build. It's relatively lightweight for an 11-inch device, tipping the scales at 491 grams. The weight distribution is spot on, making it comfortable for extended use. Just keep in mind that the camera bump on the back is quite pronounced, which might cause a bit of wobbling when placed flat on a surface, but this can be easily addressed with a case. Available in two attractive colors, graphite gray and mist blue. The graphite gray version looks great but has a minor issue. It's a fingerprint magnet. Mist blue, on the other hand, appears to do a better job of hiding smudges. Opting for the folio case, available for added protection, not only adds protection, but also keeps smudges at bay. Now, let's delve into the hardware specifications. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is powered by a Snapdragon 870 CPU, which, despite being 2 years old, remains a reliable performer. Combined with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR5, RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, it offers a solid foundation for multitasking. To power this tablet, Xiaomi provides an 8,840 mAh battery with fast charging support. The daily performance of the Xiaomi Pad 6 is impressive, handling tasks like social media, video streaming, and browsing with grace. Gaming is where it truly shines. Games like Asphalt, PUBG, and Genshin Impact perform admirably. Thermal management is excellent, with minimal thermal throttling observed even during stress tests. The Xiaomi Pad 6's software experience is orchestrated by Android 13 with MIUI 14 for the pad. It's customized for the tablet experience, offering features that enhance productivity. You can multitask with floating windows or split screen mode, allowing up to 4 apps to run simultaneously. Despite minor issues like synchronization problems between portrait and landscape modes, and some apps not being optimized for the tablet's landscape display, the software offers a responsive and snappy user experience. Pre-installed bloatware, limited memory for home screen layouts in different orientations, and a lack of commitment to future OS updates do raise some concerns. Now, let's talk about the showstopper, the display. The Xiaomi Pad 6 boasts an 11-inch 144Hz 2.8K IPS panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, shining with 550 nits of peak brightness, 10-bit color support, Dolby Vision, and HDR. The 144Hz rate provides smooth, responsive interactions. It's a treat for scrolling through the Android UI, enhancing the overall snappiness. The Xiaomi Pad 6 doesn't stop at just visuals. Equipped with a quad speaker setup, supported by Dolby Atmos, the speakers deliver impressive sound quality. They're loud, offer a balanced mix of bass and treble, and make consuming media a joy. Though not a focal point, the Xiaomi Pad 6 features a single 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. The rear camera captures decent photos in good lighting conditions, while the front camera impresses with its 1080p 60 FPS video quality. The horizontal positioning of the selfie camera is a thoughtful addition, perfect for video calls, online meetings, and casual video chats. The microphone quality is remarkable, aided by the tablet's 4 microphones. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is powered by a substantial 8,840 mAh battery, capable of over 10 hours of screen on time. Even with heavy usage, you should still be able to achieve 8 to 10 hours of screen on time. The tablet can charge from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours and 0 to 50 in about 45 minutes. So what's the catch with the Xiaomi Pad 6? It's all about smart decision-making. Xiaomi made certain compromises to keep the cost under $350, such as using the slightly older Snapdragon 870 chip, omitting an OLED display, and leaving out features like a headphone jack, 5G, water resistance, and micro SD support. But even with these considerations, the Xiaomi Pad 6 offers excellent value for money. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on the Xiaomi Pad 6 and your tablet preferences. Don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Critic so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care.